mermaids, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I install some beautiful kinky straight clip-ins that I got from Curlsqueen. This is what the hair is going to come inside of, and inside you are going to get a Curlsqueen brush. And also you're going to get a pamphlet or brochure that says what you're using. Today we have the 20-inch clip-ins. This is one bundle. This is one bundle of the 20-inch clip-ins. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. This is the hair. All right, so this is the hair, you guys. Very, very pretty. It smells really, really good. This is the kinky straight hair. Kinky straight. I love it. I'm gonna wash it, blow dry it, and again, this is one bundle. I'm gonna cut all of this off, and I'm gonna come back and show you once I install. I'm gonna wash and blow dry it, and I'm gonna come back and show you. And what I'm gonna do is, I think I want to do a side part, and I'm going to try my best not to cut the wefts. I don't want to cut it today. My hair has been washed, blow dried, and I've quickly flat ironed it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start with the first application of the clip-in by parting my hair. Now you can either start higher or start lower, but I choose to start a little bit higher just because it's just perfect for my hair texture. So I am taking one of the clips. This is already pre-cut to the perfect length that I need, and I'm going to start laying the first track after I parted my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and clip it right here where I parted my hair. I'm going to make sure that I pull it taut as I clip each clip in so that it's a straight line, nice and tight, and it's not loose or has any gaps in it. So the first two tracks are going to be laid right up under each other. And I'm going to go ahead and take the next one, parting my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the same length of the clip that I just added in, and I'm gonna put that right in the back as well. Now I did not want to cut any of these wefts. It doesn't really matter if you do, but I choose not to cut it this time. And I was able to install every piece of hair without having to cut it. So you definitely can do it as well. I'm not worried about if the parts are straight. I just want to make sure that they're even. And I'm pulling on it to make sure that it's secure, and it is secure. So next I'm going to go ahead and work on the sides of my hair, leaving a good portion out. And I'm going to go ahead and take one of the pieces of the clip-in hair extensions, and I am measuring that to the side of my head, and I'm going to go ahead and clip that in on both sides. It's very secure. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take one of the larger clip-ins, and I'm measuring it to my hair, leaving some of the hair out. I'm parting where I want to part, leaving a good portion of the hair out to cover the previous tracks and to also lay the next track. So I'm parting it, and I'm going to go ahead and place the largest right here at the top. Now, you guys, this is only my second time doing clip-ins, and it's getting faster and faster, and it's getting easier and easier. So the more you practice, the better you get. It's all, you really don't even need any practice, honestly. You just have to know where to place the tracks. Once you know where to place the tracks, this is like a 10-minute hairstyle. And I love it. Make sure you guys are pulling it taut as you get to each clip, making sure that they are secure and nice and tight. You should be able to pull it without it feeling like it's going to slip. It should feel secure. It shouldn't be too tight, but it should feel secure, like it's not going to go away. Like it's not going to get blown away by the wind. And again, I'm just doing the same thing, parting it. Now, around here is where I decided that I wanted to do a side part. So I am adding more hair toward the side where my part is going to be located. And I'm just still going around and around the crown of my head. It's so easy, you guys. You can definitely do this. And it's in there nice and neat, nice and tight. I'm just showing you. So this is where my side part is going to be. And I'm just removing some of the hair. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my wax stick just to separate and mold down where my part is going to be located. And I'm just going to go ahead and add another clip in here. And this was one bundle, you guys. One bundle, I think, is more than enough. You don't need any more than one bundle, but if you like fuller hair, you definitely can add more bundles if you want to, but one is the perfect amount. And I did use all of the hair, which I was surprised about, but I did use all of the hair, and it's full, it's not looking thin, it's perfect. Again, this is the light Yaki. I think the light Yaki is my favorite texture. And next, I'm just going to go ahead and add the last and final clip. And you guys, these do not hurt at all. Like, no pain, no pulling, no too tight, no scratching your scalp, none of that. These are perfect alternative to sew-ins, tight hairstyles. If you're one of those people who don't like having too much tight stuff on your head and you want to go to sleep with the tracks and wig or whatever on your head at night, but you want to be comfortable, you can definitely be comfortable wearing these to bed. All right, you guys, I love this hair so much. These are really high quality clip-ins. You guys, let me show y'all. I'm gonna take a fine tooth comb like this, okay? I'm combing my hair through. The clips are in. They don't feel like they're gonna slip out. They are not snagging. It's literally no snag. No snag. They are in there. It don't feel like it's gonna fall off if I comb it too hard, or if I swing my hair, the wind blows too hard. It's none of that. It's none of that. And I love these clip-ins. I love this hair. It blends beautifully. Now, these are straight clip-ins, straight and 20 inches. But when I tell you guys, it looks so much longer. So since this hair is straight, I'm gonna keep it straight. I think it looks pretty straight. I'm just going to do my flat iron, my leave out, flat iron it a little bit more where I feel like it might need to be flat ironed. But other than that, you guys, this hair is bomb. I'm gonna add some of my Style Factor Edge Booster. This is the strongest hold. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of that to my edges. I do love this edge control. So I'm just gonna add this to the perimeter of my hair. You guys, high quality, okay? High quality clip-ins, like bomb. Like bomb. And I'm just gonna add that here. Beautifully blended, like. All right, I'm just gonna take my flat iron. I'm gonna try to lift it. And flat iron it. And it just flat irons so beautifully. I'm just gonna run it through just a little bit, not a lot. That. All right, my mermaids, I have finished doing the hair. I did my makeup. All I did was I took my hot comb and just ran it through the hair a little bit more. I flat ironed it just a little bit, flat ironed, just to make it a little bit more straight, which I love the texture. It's so easy, you guys. This hair is so perfect from the root, from top to bottom. It's not dry at the ends. It blends very well with my hair. It didn't take me much to blend the hair, which I love and appreciate. I can get on a roller coaster right now and feel comfortable and feel secure that my hair is not gonna come out. I can tug on my hair. It doesn't feel like they're gonna slip out. They are so secure, which I love. They're so secure, you guys. Like, I've seen some people put clip-ins in and it just doesn't look secure. It looks like it's gonna fall out, but you don't have to worry about that with these. The hair is gorgeous. Like, I just wanna like swing it. I just wanna swing it. It's blended beautifully in the back. And it took me about 20 minutes to install. But very high quality, very good hair. Thank you so much, Curlsqueen, for sending me this hair. You guys, the information will be linked in the description box if you want to purchase this hair. This is one bundle, you guys. I used every bit of it. I didn't save any hair. I used every bit of the hair, and it's so full. It looks natural. It swings. It moves back and forth with no problem. It's not heavy. It's not weighed down with product or just so coarse that it doesn't move. It moves flawlessly, perfectly. I really, really love it. It looks like a sew-in. The hair is so pretty, you guys. So yes, shout out to Curlsqueen. Thank you so much for sending me this hair. This is that type of hair where you just be moving your head back and forth, you know, just moving your head just because. Quick, you can do this quick. This is a quick style, but it doesn't look like it's quick. So yes, you guys, links will be in the description box. Let me know what you guys think of this hair. Do you like it? Does it look good on me? How do you guys think about me with the straight hair? I don't do straight hair. I don't normally do straight hair. I always do like a curly hair, but I'm just loving it. It's so long and pretty. But yeah, you guys, one bundle is more than enough. You don't need more than that, I don't think. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much, Curlsqueen, for sending this hair. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.